everyone, what's up? Welcome back. If you can see my keyboard's right here. I'm trying to clear the space, but there's a bunch of stuff on my desk right now. So I wanted to come on and choose the envelopes with you guys for this week. It's the first week of February, so let's go ahead and pick. Let's see what we have here. Let's do this one. Ooh, 18. Love that color. And let's do... oh my gosh, 18 and 6. All right, we're starting pretty low this month, but you guys know last month was pretty rough. Got some high numbers, so I will see you guys in the next clip at the end of the week to stuff them. Hey you guys, I am back to stuff these envelopes, and honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys, this is weeks later. So I have to stuff these, but I also have to pull 4 more envelopes because it's just been that long since I pulled envelopes. I had a crazy week last week and I still have to pick this week's. So we're first gonna try to stuff these first. Just so you guys know, this is unexpected income, which is why I decided to just stuff these envelopes. So let's see if we have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stuffing what I can today as we pull, and whatever I can't stuff yet, I will just put to the side and I will get that out this week. So there's the 6. I have to mark these off in my tracker. Also, my nails are not done. I'm sorry, you guys know I always have my nails done, but it's been a crazy week. All right, 18. I don't have 18, but you know what? I'm just gonna put in 20 because it's not a bad thing to put more money away. So there's that. Let's pick out 4 more envelopes to see if we can stuff any of them. Ooh, we have a 71. Okay. Oh my God, to pick out 4 more. Oh, 52, 71, 52. Oh my gosh, I'm getting some big ass numbers. 80. Oh my goodness, you guys. 68, 80, 52, and 71. So these two of them are going to be for last week, and then 2 of them are going to be for this week. So let's see what we have here. What can we do? What can we do? We have 20, 40, 60, 81. Okay, let's do 20, 40, 60, 80 for the 80, because that we can do. And then I don't think I have enough for any of the other ones because all these numbers are so damn high. 20, 30, I only have 32. All right, so we're just going to keep the money in here, and then I'm gonna have to go to the bank to get the rest of the money later this week, and we will stuff these 3 by the end of the week. So hopefully you guys are doing well on your journey. Today we just stuffed 80, 18, and 6. And we'll stuff these 3 later. Hey guys, so I'm vlogging on my iPhone right now because I don't have time to set up my camera to do my pull. So let's just pull some numbers right here. It is Monday, February 22nd. So let's see what we pick. Oh my gosh, $89 and 4. Oh, thank goodness, because we've been getting so many high numbers the past few weeks. So 4 and 89. Hey guys, so we are back. I do not remember the last time I filmed a check-in with you guys for the savings challenge that I do weekly. So we're just gonna go with it. I just have all my envelopes here that I don't think I stuffed with you yet. So we're gonna go through it and then we're going to mark off which ones we did complete. So I think there's 3 on the top here that I did complete that I just wanted to highlight with you guys, and then we have to stuff the other ones. So again, I'm not sure where we left off, but here we go. So $6, let's just double check here. We have $6 there. So again, I'm not sure when I pulled these numbers because I was behind a little bit and I just let them all pile up, and then I was like, you know what, I'll just do one big filming session, which is what we're doing now. So $6 is done. We're gonna put that in my little box. 18. So all right, so I guess I don't know when I stuffed this, but I had a 20 instead of 18, which is fine. More money saved, the better. So at the end of this savings challenge, at the end of the year, I'm gonna have more than this, but again, it's not a bad thing. So I just didn't feel like getting change. So a $20 in there, but we did finish the number 18, so we'll highlight that one. Okay, I think this is the last one that is stuffed, the $80 envelope. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80 in there. Perfect. And then let's just highlight, where's 80? Here we go. All right. Now, I think we have to stuff these right here. So let me just move this to the side. All right, so the first one, oh, we have a lot. We have some really high numbers, you guys. So we have, let's just go through them. 89, 4, 71, 52, and 68. So this here is money for my sinking funds that I'm going to be filming probably after this, and for these envelopes. So we're not going to use all this money in this video or in this clip. It's the clip, sorry. But yeah, let's just start stuffing. So 89, so we're going to take a 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. All right, let's just double check that. Perfect. So 89 is done. Let's quickly try to highlight as we go. No, I'll just highlight at the end, okay? $4 in this one. So we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you guys are curious, I got this clear acrylic tray from Amazon. It's supposed to be for sunglasses, but everybody on YouTube is using it for their budgeting videos. So that is how I'm using it. All right, 71. We have 50, 60, 70, and 1. I had some big numbers over the past few weeks, you guys, so as you can tell, there's that. 52, 50, 1, 2, all right, perfect. 68 is the last one, so 50, oh, 65, 66, 67, 68. Okay. Amazing. Awesome. So let's bring back our tracker here. If you guys are new, you can get this on my website. I will leave the link down below. It's always linked down below. But yeah, you can just use this tracker to your liking. 68 is done. Then we have 52. Okay, 71. All right, and then as per usual, I will be adding up what we have total. But yeah, at the end of the month, I will let you guys know where I'm at, and then we'll see where you guys are at. So leave down below where you guys are at for the end of February, for the first 2 months. All right, so that's all of the envelopes that we have to stuff, and you guys can see here, these are my envelopes I picked from, and then these vertical ones, we have so many. So this was from January and February. All right, so again, I will add all of the numbers up in probably the last clip of this video. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Hey guys, we are back with one last clip because I want to give you guys the totals for the 100 envelope challenge for February, and then I also wanted to fill out the 52-week challenge as well. So if you guys are doing both challenges, then this will probably interest you. I have been doing these by just the month at this point, so we didn't stuff anything throughout the weeks for the 52-week challenge, but we're gonna fully stuff it right now together. So let's do this first, and then we'll do all of the totals. I have my Kate Spade binder planner right here. This is a 3-ring planner or binder. I keep all of my envelopes in here. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This might be something different that you're seeing. Over here, I just have my sticky notes of all of my cash denominations when I go to the bank. I don't know why I just leave them in there, but we are just going to pull out, where is it? The 52-week envelope. All right, there we go. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit better. This is my pen. I got this in Chinatown. I thought that was funny. It's a little cheeseburger. Anyway, we have to fill week 5, 6, 7, and 8. So adding all of these up, $5, $6, $7, $8, we are going to be stuffing $26 today for the full month of February. So you can do these weekly, but you know, I did it weekly in January and I felt like it was a little tedious. So somebody recommended to do just the whole month at the end of the month, which is what we're doing. So we need $26. So let's just check off, whoops, week 5, 6, 7. So yeah, 5, 6, 7, and 8 checked off. So that is $26. So we're going to be pulling 25, 26. All right, so according to this, we should have $36 total right now. So let's see what we have here. Let's pull it all out. I think they're all ones anyway. So we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we are on track for the 52-week challenge. Again, these trackers and challenges are linked below and they are on my website for a digital printable. If you wanted to purchase that, it's $1. We are now done with the 52-week challenge. So now we can just add up where we are at for the 100 envelope challenge here. Now I already did my calculations, so I'm just gonna put them here on the screen for you guys. So for the 100 envelope challenge for February, we ended up stuffing $390. We also stuffed the $26 that I just did with you guys for the 52-week challenge. So in total for February, we stuffed $416. That's how much we saved for this month, which is awesome. Please let me know down below where you guys are at. Please leave a comment. I would love to hear where you guys are at for February. All right, sorry, my camera was moving and I didn't realize it, but for our totals for January and February for the 100 envelope challenge is $948 saved, which is amazing. And then if we added both from the 100 envelope challenge and the 52-week challenge for January and February, we have saved a total of $984. You guys, that is so awesome. I am so excited that we're going to hit over $1,000 saved in March. Please let me know where you guys are at, what numbers you are at. I would love to hear it in the comments and we can share our excitement. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you and I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. Bye.